Get acquainted with the 2020 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.